Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Firefox again. The Firefox update is just bug fixes. So what it has to do is with two little bugs that are in the browser. So if you go to the upper right corner hamburger menu, go to the Help, and go to About Firefox, you'll be sent to 129.0.2. So the first has to do with anything that has screen readers. If you go and hover your mouse pointer over a tab, it says alert, and so that is fixed. And the second one has to do again with drag and drop. So the first issue they had fixed is that the drag and drop with certain files just didn't work. Now it has to do with some drag and drop files that nothing happens. So it really is kind of maybe a bug that's created by the first fix. So if you're used to taking files and drag and dropping them in some of the websites where you can of course drop files to upload to pictures and all sorts of things, now it should work normally as they had that. There's no security fixes in here, so Firefox is fine for that. If you have no issues, anyways, your browser will update itself. If you use Firefox, it will update itself automatically as you are using it. And if not, well, you can just go and update it, but no security problems in here, just bug fixes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.